Welcome to my training video. In this video, I want to share step by step how to quickly get traffic to your product, to your system, to your website, or even if it's an affiliate offer promoting someone else's product, how you can quickly get traffic, quality traffic, targeted traffic to your website. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to quickly write a quick campaign, get a quick campaign set up, and how to start getting traffic. And for this video, we're going to talk about an affiliate network called ClickBank, because I'm going to choose a product from ClickBank, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can start driving traffic to your offer very fast, very quickly, and start getting traffic to that offer, because traffic is very important. Okay, without traffic there's no moving forward. All right, so let's dive into this video and let me show you how it all works. Okay, so right now I'm on ClickBank Marketplace. I'm here. I'm going to choose one of the products that I normally promote. So I'm going to just type in Instagram in here, okay, because I love this product. It's a very good product. It's a legitimate product, and it's got a very good high converting sales page. And turn your Instagram account into an ATM machine. So I'm going to check the sales page here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sales page, and you can see when you go to the sales page, it looks something just like this. Okay, so this is the sales page. It's looking very good, as you can see, and you probably can tell already that this can be a very good converting product. If you drive some good quality traffic, okay, potentially you can see some sales coming in if you do everything the way it's supposed to be done. Okay, so I'm deciding to promote this product. So if I want to promote this product, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my affiliate link from here, and then I am going to start driving traffic. Now, what would I do? First of all, I'm going to create a quick campaign to drive traffic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to one of my programs, and quickly I'm going to write a quick email. So I'm into this program down here. I'm going to go to the email part, and I'm going to click on newsletters, okay, and then I'm going to click on create down here, okay, and I'm going to send a quick broadcast newsletter to my entire subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to put in a subject line here, and for this purpose I'm just going to copy and paste one of my campaigns that I already have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check one from here, okay, and let's just click on this one here. Let me just take this one. Let's just paste it into this. Let's classic editor, save, and let's just click this again, and then I'm just going to scroll down. I'm just going to add this. There you go. And then I'm just going to come back here, and I am going to copy this entire email and paste it in here. Okay, there you go. That is looking great and good. Okay, so I want this email to go out. This is a quick campaign. Now you might be asking, wait, I didn't understand what's going on here. Here's what's happening. Quick email written, press the send button from here, and this email goes out to all those people who opted in to one of my landing pages that looks a bit like this. Okay, so you're building a list. You're not driving direct traffic to the offer. Instead, you are actually building a list, and through your lead magnet page you are sending traffic directly to the ClickBank offer. Now, most people don't buy on the first attempt. That is the reason why you want to build a list, so your emails go out on your behalf every single day, okay, and then you can make you can see potential sales and potential commissions. That's how it all works. Okay, so it's a step-by-step process. Number one, you have to build a lead magnet page. Number two, you need to connect the dots with your ClickBank offer and the lead magnet page. Number three, you want to come into an autoresponder like this, okay, like this, and you want to create a couple of email sequences that will go out on your behalf on completely autopilot. Number four, you need to drive quality traffic to your lead magnet page. Number five, you need to continuously drive traffic and build that list and grow that list so people see those emails And that's how this all works, and that's how affiliate marketing works. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come here to see what I'm seeing down here. So if I see here, I can see it's one of the videos down here. I want to promote product, which is one of my products down here. So I'm just going to take the link from here. I'm going to come back into the newsletter, and I'm just going to see, you did this something most people never do. You took a step forward for financial freedom. No big deal, but trust me, it is because most people trap to our mind. Okay, so I'm just going to come here. I'm going to change this into this, and I'm going to change this into this. Okay, so that's how simple it is. I'm going to select all, just get rid of one of them down here, which is, let's see what I can find. Here it is. Just get rid of that one, come back. Okay, and let's just do that one. So there you go, everything is looking good. I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna click on save and send, click confirm, and that email has gone out. Okay, a quick campaign that I just showed you, and I skipped the part where you get the traffic because I have already covered that a lot in some of my videos, and I will be covering that again with different traffic sources, sharing how to get free traffic, how to get paid traffic. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, it's a step-by-step process. Stay tuned, because I'm going to come up with some brand new training videos sharing how to build a landing page, how easy it is to connect the dots, how you can start getting traffic, okay, paid traffic and free traffic, and I'm going to show you everything done step by step. So stay tuned.